Let's make a buffalo chickpea salad. Welcome back, mi gente. For the first step for this recipe, we're going to bake some crispy buffalo chickpeas. You want to take 3 cups of cooked chickpeas. I make mine at home, but you can definitely use canned. Just make sure to rinse them, lay them out on a baking tray with parchment paper, and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegan buffalo sauce. The Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce is naturally vegan, so I typically use this one, or you can just use the plain red hot sauce without the buffalo flavoring. It's totally up to you. I lay them out as flat as possible, then I put them in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit, 180 C for about 1 hour, turning them around, making sure that they're really nice and crispy. To prep the salad, we're gonna make first a pico de gallo. I use my handy dandy little tool where I de-seeded 2 jalapenos and then I quickly sieve them through. I love this device because it perfectly dices all of my vegetables for me. I used to just do this by hand, and although going old school is totally cool, sometimes a really nice time saver and also aesthetically beautiful pico de gallo can make my day. I add an additional 4 to 6 Roma tomatoes, depending on how tomatoey you want it, and a 1/4 cup of red onion that I just kind of eyeball myself. I mix everything with a little pinch of Himalayan sea salt, in addition to black pepper and lemon or lime juice. Make sure to taste test, make sure it tastes nice and you like it. I like mine a little bit on the limey side or lemony side, so I add quite a bit of lemon or lime juice. I mix it up and it can last in the fridge for up to a week. To start the salad, I just wash a bed of romaine lettuce. You can use spring mix if you prefer, but romaine is classically used in buffalo salads. I made this incredible homemade ranch dressing. I will leave it in the description for you. It's the best part. Add some diced celery, grated carrot, in addition to that pico de gallo that we just spent about maybe 10 to 15 minutes making. Add quite a bit of it. It adds a beautiful sort of acidity to it because of those tomatoes and the lemon or lime juice. Add those crispy chickpeas, half a ripe avocado, and whatever other fixins you want. You can add some jalapeno on there, but I add loads of dressing because I used to love ranch dressing back in the day, so I'm adding as much of the healthy ranch dressing as possible. It makes the salad, and a pinch of macadamia nuts because they're kind of cheesy and have a really nice crunch. I like them to be just on the salty side. I have all of these components kind of prepped in the fridge throughout the week to make a super nice and easy lunch. Mix it all together and tuck in. It's one of the best salads I definitely make on repeat on a day when I want something comforting, delicious, salty, and cheeky. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for videos every Friday and daily shorts. See you next time.